Hello friends, poached egg, how to poach an egg, how can I poach an egg? What is the easy ways to poach an egg? Is poaching an egg easy? Yes, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Tracker. In today's video, I am going to show you how to poach eggs. It's easy to do and sometimes it looks easy but it's not that simple. So I'm going to show you in this video how to poach eggs and also how to make it so it doesn't break the water. And let's start right away and I'll show you how to do this. Alright, so in this video I'm going to use 2 eggs for poached eggs and I am going to show you how you can do this so easy. First thing you need, you're gonna need water, a hot water to start with, and so I put the water on and it's getting warm, but I'm gonna show you how you can do all that as the water get warm. Alright, so I am going to poach this egg in a frying pan. You can use any saucepan you want. It can be a deep saucepan, but I just want to do it in here so it's simple, it's not all clunky together. You want to make it in a way that there is a space in between when you put your eggs in the water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in 1/8 teaspoon of salt and that to dissolve in the water. So that should be, and you can add it in the water before you do the poaching, or you don't have to put it in now. You can poach it and then just sprinkle the salt on it. For me, I want the taste to be in everything in the egg. I don't want it to just be outside, so that's why I put in this 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And you can taste the salt and see if it is tasted in the water, and you can barely taste it. You can barely taste the salt in the water. So that's how I do mine. You can choose not to, but it depends on how you want it. Okay, so now we want this water to be about to boil before we put in the egg, so then it doesn't split all over. So we're gonna make it warmer, about to boil. Okay, so our water is about to boil, and what I'm going to do is we have to do this one at a time. I am going to break the eggs like that, and I'm just going to put it in the bowl. As you can see, just one at a time. All right, now that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this in the water, just slightly in the water, just like that, and then you just leave it in. And we're going to do the second one just like that. We break the second egg. You don't want the yolk to break, so you have to be careful. So we break that one too, one at a time, and then we are just going to drop this in another section here, just right here in the water, slowly, right there. Just leave it like that, and then it's just gonna boil on a slow heat. You don't want to boil this vigorously, you just want it to boil slowly, simmering. So it's on a low heat, and we're just gonna let this. So what I've noticed is the water, it have to sink underneath the water, and then as you can see, and then you can see it is, and then what I noticed, the water, and you can see. So you always want the water to be a lot so it can cover the whole eggs around it, and then we're just gonna let this just simmering in, poached nicely. Measure how much water, just simmer. We are checking on our poached eggs. It looks like it's coming nicely, it looks great, and you can see we're just gonna check on it, but you can see it's floating. Then this as well, side by side, you see this is floating as well, and we don't want to cook this too much. It depends on your taste, what you want, how you want it, how much yolk you want in there. So as you can see, this is done for us. For the yolk to cook more, then you can do that, but for now, once it's floating, then you know, or it is done, and it is done for us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out of the water. All right, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to use a spatula, and then we don't have anything left. Look at these poached eggs. It looks so amazing. Look at that. And then you just set it on your plate as well. You have to be gentle with it, because if not, the egg yolk can break. So nicely poached. You can see how nicely these poached eggs look, so delicious, amazing, looks so great. So as you can see, this is our poached eggs recipe. It looks so amazing, looks great, and the yolks is in there just the way we want it. And then what you can do, because we already add a little salt to the water before we poached the eggs, what we can do, we just add a little ground pepper, and that is up to you. All right, so we're gonna sprinkle a little black pepper on this, as you can see, and that looks amazing. not much. And if you are a salt person, you can always sprinkle a little bit more of salt. But let's see how our poached egg looks like. We are just going to cut a little space here, and you can see, and that is our poached egg. It's ready. You just the way you want it, and you can see that there, and that's it. That's all there is to. That's how you poach an egg. So easy and simple. And you can see right in there, the yolks is still in there nicely. Hello friends, we just finished making poached eggs, and this is delicious. I am going to give it a taste, and you can see how good it looks in there. Everything is in there. It's not fried, it's just we poach it with water. I like this. We sprinkle a little pepper. I did not sprinkle any salt because I put a little salt in the water already, but this can still need salt. If you want more salt, you can add it to it. You can make this for a sandwich. There's so many you can use poached eggs for. You can put it in your bread. Poached egg is good for breakfast. You can have this for lunch or a dinner. It doesn't matter when, it's just when you want to eat it. So I hope this video helps you in any way, and if it does, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you as always. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you on my next one. Stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.